I am getting late.
Mama, pick me up.
Only 5 minutes. Almost breakfast is ready.
Papa, I'm feeling hungry.
Sweetheart, breakfast is ready.
Mama, I'm feeling hungry. Give me first.
Son, take it and eat. Sweetheart, give me my bag.
Today, I'm going for a checkup.
Bye-bye, Papa. Mama, what are you doing?
Son, I'm washing dishes.
Mama, pick me up. Mama, I want ice cream.
Okay, son.
1 coffee, please.
Sir, here is your coffee.
Mama, where are we going? What are you doing with my mama?
Your checkup is done.
Congratulations.